L. So that is also considered in I2 state L dot, where the end of a dot will be moved in I2 state. So consider that is also ended with the production. Now check the I3 state. What is an I3 state? I3 state where we got only these two we have considered in previous state. Now we need to consider this state. So go to function of I0 comma, what is a terminal or non-terminal? It is an R. Now move that R dot to the next position, that is S tends to R dot, right? So this is also end. Now we need to consider the next state, that is I4 state, where I4 state we got the next production of I0. So go to of what is a production state? I0 state. What is a production? Now L tends to dot star R. So dot has to be moved to the next level to star. So now this is an star. Now go to of I0 comma star. Now production will become L tends to star dot R. What the algorithm says, closure of I. Here whenever it is an in front of a non-terminal, then that non-terminal also be included in the item set. So here the dot is in front of a non-terminal R, right? Non-terminal R. So we need to consider R production of a grammar. Check there are production of R. So R has an production dot L. Again dot will be the in front of non-terminal. So again check the production of L of the production grammar. So there are production L tends to dot star R and L tends to dot ID. See there, I have written L and R in the I4 state because these are repeated by the production L tends to star dot R. So we have to consider all the productions of a grammar where in front of a non-terminal dot occurs, right? This is I4 state. Now we'll move to the I5 state. I5 state where in I0 we have considered this. So one more is remaining is L tends to dot ID. So L5 is again go to of what? Go to of I0 comma ID. I0 comma ID, right? So go to of I0 comma ID. Now the production becomes L tends to ID dot, right? So again this will be the end of that production. So make it as an right mark. Now then after this the next production I6. So you need to check with all the productions of a grammar. So there are how many productions in a given grammar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and augmented 6. So we need to get 6 right states here. See there 1, 2, 3, 4 we got. Still 2 more are there. So check the again the next items of a set. Now in I6 go to of which state has to be considered. So this is already finished and here this is a production. So now you consider this. So go to of I2 comma equal. So where it is in front of equal dot. So that has to be considered as an parameter of go to function. Now move that dot to the next level. So L equal dot R. See there again dot is in front of R. So what has to be done? Again include the production R. What are the productions of R? R tends to, again we need to include whenever the repeated state we have to place dot in front of the production. R tends to dot L. Dot L is again include L production. L is dot star R. L is dot ID, right? So here we are again repeated the string. So mark it as a repeated string with a rectangular box. Now I6 state, which is the next state? I7 state, right? I7 state. So what is I7 state? I7 state says now the go to function where we have stuck, here we have finished, right, in I2 state. Then the next one is in I3 state, already it is over. So I4 state, what is remaining? R. So which state? I4 state with the non-terminal R. Now you move the dot to the next level. So L tends to star R dot, right? Here also it ends. Now it is over. Just see there is no dot R in the repeated production. So leave it as it is. Then continue with the next state. I state, again I state, go to off. Here we got one more production which ends with dot, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one more is remaining, right? So next one is, which is I8 state. Here we have finished this. So don't consider this for the next I state. Only consider which you have used for originally, right? So now in I6, I5 already it is over. So I6, here there is one more. So that has to be considered in this I8 state. I6 state, what is the terminal? So R, right? So now it has to be moved. Now S tends to L equal R dot, right? S tends to L equal R dot, right? In R state, in I8 state. So I8 state got the again end of the production. Now S tends to L equal to R dot, right? So now we have finished the state, right? So all the productions which ends with right mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So totally there are 6 productions of the grammar. So this is nothing but a canonical LR of 0 or a LR of 0 items, collection of a grammar. LR of 0 collections of an item of an grammar. See now, for this we need to draw a DFA. So for this we need to draw the DFA. How to draw DFA for the given grammar? So in the exam they will ask draw the DFA as well as a collection of LR of 0 items. Now see, by using this grammar productions items, we need to draw a DFA. DFA is nothing but we need to draw the diagram. So here DFA start with the symbol start, and how many states are there? Those many states you need to represent. We need to start from I0. So I0 we got a state I1. Right? What is an I1 state? How we got I1? Using a parameter S. Right? So from this I0 state we got a I1 state. Right? Again in I0 L with I2 state. So again draw the circle from the I0 with I2 state. What is the parameter? L. Right? So again check with I3 state. I3 state is, what is an I3 state? Go to I0 comma R, right? So again here it is I3 state with the parameter R. Then I4 is also with I0 state. So draw there I4 state with a terminal star. Now again in I5 also I0 with ID. So check there I0 with I5. Here it is ID. Right? Now in I6 we got it from I2 state. So consider I2 state, then draw the state as I6. What is the parameter? Equal. Right? Then from I7 is from I4 state. We got I7. So what is the parameter? R. Then from I6 we got a I8 state, that is with R. So now the last state, end state is an I8. Wherever there is an end, that has to be considered as an end state. When there is no other state from the previous state, then those states are considered as an end state. So this is an DFA of a given grammar. DFA of a given grammar. So I think you understood how to draw a DFA of a given grammar. What they will ask in the exam, this is very important. Generate